So let's get the weather then, shall we? How cold is it going to get, Alexis?
Oh, bitterly cold, -6 potentially in some parts over the weekend, and there will be freezing fog as well. David Canning photographed the ice on a car bonnet in Aldermaston in Berkshire. Thank you.
Angela Walters captured the brilliant blue skies over the Vale of Aylesbury from the top of the Chilterns.
And we heard her doing the rugby. Jenna Hawkey took this picture of a cold but sunny Eastleigh football ground when she was there earlier doing interviews today, and it's recovering well.
So bitterly cold temperatures through the course of today. In fact, the winds start changing direction. We had a northwesterly airflow. Tonight, we're looking at a northerly airflow. The risk of some snow flurries, and when we don't have those snow flurries, a widespread frost will develop. So the snow will start drifting in from the northwest through the course of the night. We'll have varying amounts of cloud, but where we do have clear skies, a frost is possible first thing tomorrow morning, and freezing temperatures. Even in our towns and cities, in the countryside, we could see a low of -2 Celsius. So a cold and frosty start to the day tomorrow, very like this morning. There may be the odd wintry shower for western areas, but generally it's a dry day ahead with lots of sunshine. But despite the sunny spells, in some areas temperatures will really struggle. 3 or 4 Celsius up in Oxfordshire, along the south coast and for the Isle of Wight, a high of 5 to 7 Celsius. So it is getting colder as we head through the week towards the weekend. Overnight tomorrow night, clear skies, perhaps some freezing fog patches where we do have the low cloud in places. Once again, another widespread frost. It will stay dry with temperatures falling to freezing or just below. So in the countryside, we may see lows of -3 or -4 Celsius to start the weekend. Now, the northerly airflow is really starting to set in on Saturday. Through the course of Friday, we will see that wind change direction, so the airflow coming straight in from the north. It's going to be a dry day with lots of sunshine through Friday, and that's also the case into the weekend, but it will be bitterly cold during the day with overnight frosts. So let's take a look at the weekend as a whole, because 2 Celsius in some parts will be the high during the day, with an overnight low of -6 Celsius, a widespread frost as well. And especially on Sunday morning, we are looking at the potential for some freezing fog patches. And with the strength of the sun at this time of year, it's going to be hard to burn away that mist and fog first thing on Sunday morning, so it may linger up until lunchtime. Dry conditions over the next few days, freezing fog overnight with frost patches, but sunny during the day. Sally.
Alexis, thanks very much. Yesterday we had a great story on Saturday because we told you about the 18-year-old jar of curry paste that was handed into a food bank near Newbury, making it one of the oldest food items donated to charity. Well, looks like many of you have even older things lurking in your larders. Mrs Hope Diamond emailed us to say she still has a piece of her, wait for this, great-great-great-grandfather's wedding cake that's 171 years old. It is in a ceramic pot with gold leaf decoration, a common gift to wedding guests in the past. And she says one can still smell the cake.
Wow. OK, well, what about Ron and Irene from Amesbury? They said they've got an old can of naffy sausages in lard in their pantry. There they are, with a best before date, 1997. We're welcome to try. I think even I might pass.
No.
Me too, yes. And Mike Beale says he had mince pies with a sell-by date of March 2006. And he says, I'm still alive.
Now, tomorrow night, see if you can be with us, because remember those Thelwell cartoons? Well, Norman Thelwell, who lived in Hampshire, became one of the most distinctive cartoonists of his time. His drawings often featured young riders on their ponies having mishaps. They were brilliant, weren't they? Absolutely brilliant. Well, we're going to have a preview tomorrow of a new exhibition of his work, and hopefully going to hear from his 2 daughters who are there, which will be great. So join us tomorrow if you can. We've got summary tonight, of course, at 8 o'clock, and then back again at 10:30. Thanks for watching this evening. Enjoy your night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. I used to have
So that looked like